Solve the given linear first-order differential equation using integrating factors. X squared dy over dx plus x times y is equal to 1. So in order for it to be a first-order differential equation that is linear, it has to be written in this form. Dy over dx plus px times y is equal to qx. And we have to use the integrating factor e to the exponent of the integral px times dx. So first we're going to rewrite this into this form. So this is going to equal dy over dx plus y over x, which is equal to 1 over x squared. So what we did is we took the x squared and we divided it by each term. So now we're going to define our px, which is going to be 1 over x, and our qx, which is 1 over x squared. Now we're going to find our integrating factor, which is e to the power of taking the integral times p, which is 1 over x, dx. So now we're going to take the integral, and this is just going to be e ln absolute value x. And because this e and ln can cancel out, our integrating factor is just going to be x. So now we're going to take our integrating factor and multiply both sides of our linear first order differential equation. So we're going to have x squared dy dx plus x times y multiplied by x, which is equal to 1. But we're actually going to use our simplified form instead. So we're going to have dy over dx plus y over x times x, because that'll just make it easier, which is equal to 1 over x squared times x. So we're going to rewrite this and simplify it and distribute our x's. So it's going to be x times dy over dx plus x times y over x, which is equal to 1 over x. So now if you look carefully on the left side, this is just multiplication. So for example, if we set our u equal to x and we took the derivative, this would just be dx. Well, it would be 1 dx. And if we set our dv equal to dy over dx, our v is just going to be y. So our u is right here in the first term, and our dv is going to be our dy over dx, and our v is our y, and our du is just 1, since these x's are going to cancel out. So this is the same thing as writing u times dv over dx plus v times du over dx. So we can simplify this and write it in terms of, so we can simplify the right side or the left side and write it in terms of d over dx multiplied by our u, which is x, multiplied by our v, which is y. So now I'm going to rewrite this. So our left side is d over dx multiplied by x times y, which is equal to 1 over x, which is our right side. So now we're going to bring our d over dx to the right side, and it's going to become x times y is equal to the integral of 1 over x dx. And now this is a simple integral, and we can solve that. So x times y is equal to ln absolute value x plus c. And now we're going to write it in terms of y. So y is equal to ln absolute value x plus c all over x. And that is going to be our final answer. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.